Here's how to make sure you don't overpay when buying a home in a declining home price market. 1. Do some research of your specific market. Research the local real estate market before you start physically going out and looking at homes. Get a general idea about current property values and how much they have been going down. Your realtor should be able to supply you this information narrowed down by specific areas in your city or town. Investigate the different areas and pick the one that will suit your needs. Then, have your realtor start doing some homework finding properties similar to the one you're looking to buy and the price ranges of these types of homes in that area. Keep in mind that very similar homes in different areas of a city or town can have very different prices due to a number of factors that make one area more desirable than another area. 2. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a home and how much mortgage you are able to qualify for. Don't overextend yourself. Always leave some money in reserve for emergencies. Also, don't max out your monthly payments. Make sure your monthly payments also have some room for emergencies. Don't overspend, as prices are going down. The home you buy today may be worth less tomorrow. 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will tell you exactly how much you can spend and how much you can afford to pay monthly for your mortgage. All your monthly expenses should be taken into account when going through your approval process. 4. Work with a good realtor. Find an experienced realtor with a good reputation and that has experience in the local market. Don't use your realtor from one city to help you buy in another city. He or she won't usually know the particulars of specific areas in another city. 5. In a down market such as this, make sure you are working with a realtor who has experience in a down market. Many realtors have become licensed during the last several years where the market has only been on the rise and have never themselves been in a downward trending market. So, they may have difficulty providing advice in a market that they have never seen before or practiced in. 6. Be very patient. In a rising price environment, even if you make a mistake and overpay, the market will likely catch up and you should still be okay before it comes time for you to sell and move. But, in a downward environment, if you have to sell for some emergency in the not too distant future, you may have to lose more money than if you had taken your time. Don't rush into a purchase just because prices seem lower than they were a little while ago. There may be more price decline to come. 7. Negotiate, but negotiate smart. Since prices are going down, you should be able to negotiate a good price since sellers are likely selling because they don't want to hold an asset whose value is decreasing. They know prices are going down too. If they are serious, they'll negotiate because they know that the longer they hold on, the lower the price is going. At the same time, don't try to lowball the offer. A lowball offer is typically going to aggravate the seller and it could poison the well to any real negotiations on the part of the seller. Instead, get your realtor to do some detailed analysis about similar homes in the area that have sold, and use those comparables to make a fair and reasonable offer based on the current market conditions and the property's overall condition. Remember, even though home prices are dropping, a home is a huge investment and it's important to get the best deal possible based on the current market conditions. No one can predict the future, but you need to be able to draw some reasonable conclusions about what the price trends are in a given area. With that in mind, you need to consider your needs and if you can or want to wait until the market has bottomed out. Or, if you are comfortable buying now, even if there is a little more downward price action in the near future. With these suggestions, have your realtor research some of the information you cannot access on your own. Then, work with your realtor to find a home that fits your needs and budget without overpaying. If you found this video and information useful, please smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so we can keep providing you with timely information you can apply on a daily basis.